Hello and welcome to a simple podcast with Aditya Srivastava. This is the show for mastering all the skills that you need to make your life a success. And on this episode, have you ever struggled with patience? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to help you with on this week's show, where you'll learn how to master the art of patience. Now, coming on to the topic, patience, a friend left behind. Today, when we are living in an era of instant gratification, lack of patience is a common thing. People choose high internet speed over the long walks in the sunset. Patience is a rare attribute to find these days. Well, we live in a world where we don't have to wait for things. Allow me to explain. If you feel low, rather than approaching your family or friends, we pick our smartphones and start scrolling through social media. If you feel like buying clothes or accessories, we go on e-commerce sites and just tap and bam, order placed. These things increase our efficiency and productivity but take away our ability to be patient. I realized this while I was surfing YouTube and it took no more than 5 seconds to load a video, but it looked as if an hour went by. We have so many things going inside our brains, especially thoughts, that we feel occupied. If something goes as unplanned, we lose patience. A few more reasons why people are losing their patience these days is they choose to react spontaneously rather than analyzing the situation. They can't accept their defeat or other people's victory. They are stressed about something. This is one of the most common reasons these days. They are in depression. They are sensitive towards anyone or anything. They are night owls. Tell them to sleep more. A video on sleeping habits and morning is already available on the channel. And a biological reason that might have them to behave in such a manner could be hormonal imbalance. Before we learn to be more patient, we must know why should we become patient. See, patience is a vital skill to success and you should put a lot of effort into mastering this skill. And if you want to become successful in all areas of your life, you should make every effort to become a more patient person. It makes you feel inner peace. It helps you take and make better decisions. Well, you learn to be patient in the time I tell you how to master patience. Before you lose your patience, I'll move ahead. Your presence here is a proof that you want to develop the skill of being patient. Moreover, master it. Understand and counteract your triggers. Impatience is something that is triggered. This trigger is different for everybody, but it has the same purpose. To become more patient, try to understand what your trigger is. What is that thing that you think about or feel right before you lose your patience? Maybe your trigger is when someone screams at you or someone calls you a certain name. Point is, whatever your trigger, the first step to countering it is to understand and to try to uncover the deep-rooted insecurity that is causing this trigger to exist in the first place. Once you understand what your trigger is, you can work on counteracting it by doing calming exercise or breathing whenever you feel the trigger building up. Periodically release tension and stress. See, in most cases when we lose our patience, it's because we have kept a lot of things in our mind and we cannot take anymore. Say you had a long day at work and your colleagues were grilling you all day long, but you can't say anything to them, you tolerate it and absorb all of the negative energy and stress. But unfortunately, just like physics, any object absorbs energy, or better said, its energy level increases. For example, a rock lifted off the ground now has the innate energy inside of it to fall down due to gravity. The energy is never destroyed but only converted. So sometimes people who seem impatient aren't really to blame at all. They are just not able to release the energy inside of them. correctly and instead leaks out during moments of stress. So release the stress once you are at home or you are free. To release the stress, you can exercise, do some meditation, talk to someone who listens to you, and make you feel better. Remember not to burst at them as they are not at all responsible for the situation you are in. And one of the highly recommended tip is to plug in earphones and stream your favorite music. Question the reason why and kill the problem. Ask yourself, why are you in such a hurry? Realize that even if something happens a few seconds or a few minutes late, nothing will happen. The task will get done and everything will still work out. Try to keep an perspective and don't give yourself useless stress. Even if someone did an unpleasant act with you, show some sympathy and move on. Construct an environment for practicing patience. Here are a few easy ways you can practice patience every day, thus increasing your ability to remain calm and cool in the times of stress. Start meditating. And the next time you go to the grocery store, try to get in the longest line. Well, remember, until and unless the goods are in limited number. The next time, rather than asking someone else to give you a glass of water, go get it yourself. And try doing most of your work by yourself rather than asking other people to do it for you. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this podcast helped you improve your life, even if it's by a small percentage. Don't forget to apply these tips and tricks for higher results. You are on your way to be more patient. If you like this podcast, then don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more. If you dislike, tell me in the comments down below what went wrong, and I'll surely improve in the next podcast. Thanks for watching. Keep improving, keep learning.